One of the most important services that we have is our quality control inspection. So we have three different types, what we call a during production inspection, final random inspection, and then there's the factory audit. So the factory audit can be performed at any time. I think the best time to do a factory audit is when you have your 3 to 5 factories and you want to make sure that you're visiting those factories before you start a mass production with them. And what that involves is a physical inspection of their facilities. We take pictures, we take videos, we interview their staff, we verify type of products that they're making. We want to see the production process. We also try to get any sort of business documents that they haven't sent us previously. So again, that can be done at any stage, but preferably you want to do that before you start your mass production with the factory. The other two, the during production inspection and the final random inspection, we follow the AQL level 2 standard, which is a global standard. There should be a table right here explaining what that is, and that essentially is a breakdown of how many items are we going to inspect, what is the general production inspection process. Of course, as a buyer, we also expect you to provide us with your specifications and specific things that you want to inspect. And we charge $299 per man day. So what that means is a full day at the factory, one person for a full day, that's $299. Of course, if you want to inspect more than the average AQL level 2 inspection items, then the pricing will be different. So again, just to summarize what I just said, we have a during production inspection, also known as inline inspection. We have a final random inspection, which is done at the end of your mass production. And then we have the factory audit, which is typically done before you start a mass production.